What's the meaning of caricature? Caricature. Caricature.
Caricature. Caricature. A caricature is a satirical or humorous representation of someone or something that exaggerates certain features or traits for comic effect. The purpose of a caricature is often to highlight flaws or criticize a person or group, but it can also be used simply for entertainment. The result is typically a stylized, simplified, and distorted image that may or may not resemble the original subject. Caricatures are often found in political cartoons, advertisements, and entertainment media, and they can be created using a variety of mediums including drawing, painting, and digital art.